Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video I am going to show you how to add flash bloops in animation in Apple Keynote. Let's get started. At first open your Apple Keynote software and open your Apple Keynote presentation. Then you can see here is my presentation. Now go to the first slide on the presentation and select the text box and go to the animation menu. Then click the drop down menu and you can see here are many animation. I am find our flash bulbs animation. Then scroll down and you can see here are my animation. I click this. Now I am increase duration etc, and then go to the second slide and select the text box, click the drop down menu and select flash bulbs animation. Now apply all animation in all slide. Then go to the first slide and click slideshow menu. Wait some moment, our slideshow is starting now. Then click mouse and you can see here are flash bloops animation are showing. Then you can see flash bloops animation in Apple Keynote very easily. I hope you enjoyed my video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.